We're here at the Cobb's Adventure Park. Looks like it's going to rain.
Mommy, she asked me, are you my dad?
Hey, come here and say hi to the viewers again.
Hi viewers, we are in the Cobb's Adventure Park. We will see animals. Okay, let's go.
The other one is sleeping. Baby girl. Are you excited? Hey, now come on. You can go. Can you go there? And then I'll take you a picture. Hey, take a look at the car. Not in there. Over there in the Cobb's Adventure. I'll take you a picture there. Come on. Can you stand up in there, anak? Oh, that right there too? You wanna take a picture there? Where's Daddy?
There's a hole there.
Oh, you wanna? Okay, go. Daddy needs to put you up in there. Daddy, can you go there? Yung mukha niyo daw dalawa. Tulog si Quinella eh. Oh, go with Daddy.
Let's go. Here. So we go on number 2. Where is it? Yeah.
Wala namang sapin si Quinella.
Can you carry stuff?
I will carry that. Yep. Ala ate, ay Daddy, uulan. Daddy, uulan. Naglililim na sila oh. Meron ba liliman dyan? Ha? You don't wanna see? Yeah, you can ride on all of that, baby. Don't worry. Happy, Nana. You need to sit down there and I'll take your picture again.
Wow.
Let's go. Oh my God. You see that one? You see that one? There's a lot of... Oh my God. How about sitting with the pig, Anak? Take a look over there. There's a pig. A big one. Do you want a picture with the pig? Okay, go. Go. The pig is pooping. Take a look. Oh no, I think it's a washroom. Is it? Okay, go there. Okay, let's go there now. Huh? Show it to you? Oh, there's a climbing in there too. Washrooms.
This is scary.
Saan?
That one is scary. Mommy,
Climbing
that
wall.
one is scary.
Are you scared of that?
Yeah.
Let's go! Right over here. You can climb here. On this side. Oh my god, do you like it? The sliding there? Oh, it's just a small one though. Okay, you need to hold here like the girl. You need to hold here. Yeah. Hold the rope, okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, hold the mommy na lang. Oh, no. You have to be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful, you might fall down. You might fall down. Oh no, good job. Good job. Which one do you like? Here. You're in the middle. Here. You wanna slide together now? Okay. Go. Okay, go. It's raining. Okay. Hindi naman madulas. Uh-oh. No, it's not slippery anymore. Naku po, ang dumi ng put namin. Daddy, let's go there now. It's raining. It's raining. Okay, let's go. Let's go. The animals, Daddy. Oh my God, wrong timing talaga tayo. That's the blue one. Hi. Hey, look at here. Judin, look. What? I can't. Oh, it's going to rain. Saan? Mamaya, paanohin muna natin ulan. Anong oras ba ito magka-close? Ang dahil, dapat di na sila nag-aaksa pag-uulan. Lulugpas ko na. Hey. Oh no, wrong timing ang punta namin dito. Nag-hail. There's a hail. Inulan. Uh-oh. Hala, baka si Kio, Daddy. Bukol na. get it anymore. It's dirty. Nasulit ang aming adventure park. Kasi umulan. How about my baby smile?